Here I have TCL 10 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Google Backup feature on this device. So first of all, you have to go to Settings, scroll down to the bottom and go to the System section, and then to the Backup section. Then you have to enable this feature Backup to Google Drive, and what you have to do next is to add your Google account. You will need the internet connection for this, of course. Here you have to enter your email or phone number. Tap Next. Then you have to enter your password. Tap Next. Then you have to agree with the Google's Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. And tap Accept here, and your device is ready to be backupped. As you can see, you can just tap on Backup Now here, and your device will start to backup. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.